Hello, Keka. How about you?
Hi, Michael. I'm fine. How about you?
I'm also fine. I'm waiting for you.
Why?
Can you tell me about the importance of learning English?
Yes, English is an international language. English plays an important role in communication in the whole world.
Is English a communicative medium? Are people internationally using this language?
Although English is not the only medium of communication, it is a widely used language for communicating with each other.
Okay. What are the opportunities to learn English?
There are many opportunities to learn English. You can communicate with overseas people. Good job opportunities, opportunities for higher education, scholarship facilities, etc.
OMG. Lots of opportunities for learning English. How can I improve my learning English?
You can learn English by watching videos from the internet. You can watch English movies, cartoons, and news. You can also learn English by reading books.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. See you again. Goodbye.
Goodbye.